Easy a B, but I can't touch color green. This doesn't fucking count because it's the arrow for the checkpoint. This don't count because I don't feel like it. This don't fucking count because the color are constantly changing. This don't count because this is vomit, not green. This fucking doesn't count because it just doesn't. Okay. This fucking B is pure vomit. Subscribe for more content like this. Yeah, fucking one.